welcome to Bridgeton Investments. So, we live in a stupidest kind of a market. We live in a stupidest kind of a market. One of my investments, some I was what did it report to rise up? Uh, almost 20% in one day. Where is that? Where is this? Yeah, it gapped up, let's go to 5 minutes. It's just 5 minutes. We just did 5 minutes in one day. This will show always and I'll switch to 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this. One of my investments at its peak at the opening today, it rose almost 20%. What I saw last 16% on one day. Okay. You know, I was like, did it report earnings or something? Because with every investment, I follow up with my earnings a lot. No, did it miss up on its earnings today? And then I was shocked to see it signed partnership with SpaceX. I'm like, eh? SpaceX? Like, it's like a goof. Like, I'll show you, bro. Reopen this. SpaceX. All right, Blue Cloud. I would understand Reliance, Bell, Adani, or some other L&T to sign a deal with SpaceX. But a Blue Cloud sum with market cap of what, just almost 2000 crore, signing a deal with SpaceX. Elon could just buy this with his pocket change. He just needs to sell few. He just needs few cash flow with his Google. If you don't know, SpaceX earns money from Google as well, like around 1,000 1 billion, almost 1 billion, $1 billion almost every month. Google pays SpaceX with just 1% of that. SpaceX would just buy this whole entire company. I'm like, is this market really that stupid? I don't understand. I'm saying, even though I'm biased towards my investments, it doesn't really support a case of Blue Cloud signing deal with SpaceX. I think this is what market jumped to its biggest conclusion today. People don't even know what the SpaceX even is. It's not a subsidiary of SpaceX, just a SpaceX Malaysia. Specialization in computer integration, technology, merchant wholesaling, and related IT service. It didn't even, uh, and my people really thought it signed a deal with SpaceX. Dude, literally, Elon could just buy 100 of this company. He doesn't need to sign a deal with this US subsidiary. But even though I am invested in this company because this is a purely speculative play, higher speculative. If it works out, even though my position in this is very less, only like 5,000 rupees, and not much risk then. Like, even though it is showing, because it's just showing signs of improvement, and it is in its growth stage. This is only one of the companies which is in its product based AI, which is one of the only companies. EBITDA is growing, everything. Net profits they're slightly showing up and down. EPS, I don't care. Cash flow, I'm not surprised whether it will retain its cash or not. It will not retain its cash flow or anything, because it is in its growth stage, and you cannot judge this company by its cash. But its core sales is improving. Business sales is improving. That's why I invested in it. I never expected this to sign a deal with SpaceX. Come on, 2000 crore market cap. Elon could just buy this company with what? With 1/10 of Google's money. He doesn't need to sign a deal with it. I would understand Reliance, Adani, anything with signing a deal with SpaceX. But Bluetex. Okay, so this is what market is right now. It just needs to see the word AI, just needs to see the word AI, any stupid stuff it sees, it just decides, oh, wow, SpaceX, oh, I'm jumping off today to the moon, SpaceX to the moon, and we got blue tech. It rose 20% in one day. I was like complete shock. SBI, despite deserving that good earnings, well, SBI, yeah. Despite presenting good earnings, it didn't get any hype today. It didn't get any hype today because it was just buy the news, sell the buy the rumor, sell the news, that kind of earning. Before, after earnings came out, well, I'll no longer lead you. That is the scenario. It's like the stupidest market I ever seen. And this is my crypto position update. I wanted to give you an update on this because like it has been a very volatile week, and I tried to do a leverage position with this USDT because I saw it becoming overbought. I couldn't sustain the risk. I exited quickly. I tried to do a leverage position. My God, I could have made serious money with this. But to be honest, I am not ready for leverage position yet. You shouldn't take a leverage position when you're seeing consistent profits. That's when all traders recommend you to do leverage position. I will come to a stage when I will take leverage position, but not just now. I will take leverage position in future, but right now I am taking. I'm just trying to increase my capital. That's it. Increase my capital. That's it. And I am feel I'm consistently pro. I don't have a set target. I will take a lot more leverage position. So that's it. And I have taken a new position. I have not been updating it much because seasons are out. Or see, because seasons are out, and I have not been that much into earning. But already I moved the stop loss to this side here. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. But mainly, I just wanted to showcase this, showcase this. So that's it from me today. Please like to subscribe, and I did few more changes to my skill. I added this where all it means, what do I say, where all is mostly moat, it has moat advantage and market share it has. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.